there would be pretty cool.
Along those trees?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Dude, I'm so excited for all the memories we're gonna be making and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
It'll be so fun. Wait, we should find our lamp. I can't find it.
Okay. Hi. So, are you ready?
No.
Come on, you gotta do it.
Do I have to?
You have to. Grow some balls.
But it doesn't. Why?
Because it needs to be done.
No.
Yes. Do it.
Okay. I can do it.
Never held my hand like that.
She's just joking. It doesn't sound like it. I really don't think she means it. It's okay. Just let her cool off.
Are you guys coming or not?
What's up, girl? So super pretty.
Yeah. Real pretty.
This looks like a pretty nice spot.
Do you guys like it?
Oh yeah. Valerie? Valerie. Valerie!
Why don't you worry about yourself?
Valerie! Stop following me.
Stop following me.
This is bullshit!
What do you mean this is bullshit? That is bullshit.
No!
She does this all the time.
But I don't understand what you want them to do.
Not do this in front of me? What do you think?
Weren't you the one who invited them?
I invited her. She invited him.
Fuck!
This is why we're here. It needs to happen. They need to be gone. She's murder. This is why we're doing this.
I'll do it.
Everything better?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Hey, why don't you go show her what we found back there carved on that tree?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, I thought it was supposed to be.
You guys go ahead.
Yeah.
I'll catch up.
Why are you acting like this? Why
What do you think?
Why are you pitching such a fit?
What do you think?
You invited me.
You think it's easy? I didn't invite you. I invited her. You decided to tag along. You think this is easy for me? You think this is
I'm
okay?
asking you to get past.
What's this carving you're taking me to?
It's a little bit up the way. It's an owl.
Is it cool?
It's pretty cool. I like it.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's real cool. Come on!
Can you not fucking drive? Where the hell is she?
I'm gonna get you this.
Lucille! Lucille!
It's over here, dummy! Come on. Look. You have to get close. It's down there.
Where?
Look closer!
I don't see anything.
Who brought a bunch of jerks?
What was that?
Fuck? Where are they? They've been
Where
gone
did that
for a
come
while.
from? Where is that?
My best friend! She's dead!
What
There's
happened?
someone there!
Who?
There's someone there! No!
What happened?
Someone came! She fucking...
Bonnie! Where are you? Where are you? Oh my god. No! No! No!